The things that you put off today, your future self ain't gonna want to do them either. That's why the dishes stack up, buddy. What's going on? Gutter Cleaner You here. Again, my name is Brett Patrick, owner operator of Good Boy Gutter Protection. I'm riding in traffic right now on the way to my next job. And I just wanted to take a moment to talk with you guys about something I keep seeing in the comments below, and a little bit in our Telegram group. And there's a lot of like questioning and curiosity, and can this really be that way? Skepticism, all these types of things. And what that's really saying about you as an individual is that you have some serious doubt about your ability to put in the work necessary to achieve the things that you want to have in life. Being skeptical is that you don't truly believe that that thing can happen. So in return, you stick to the thing that you've already been doing, which obviously you're not happy with, or that you wouldn't even be on a page like this trying to see if this is something that you could do. And I know that was a lot to say, but it's like, I mean, you gotta have that can-do attitude. You gotta have that like, hey, I'm gonna figure this thing out. I think I can make it happen. I've seen enough evidence now between Brett and these other guys on here that are doing this. We can do this. I can make it happen. If I can make $100,000 a year as cleaning gutters, and I don't even have company logo shirts, I'm sure that you guys can go out there and make 40, 50, $60,000 a year to match whatever it is that you're making now and above and beyond that. And on top of that, get the freedom of a lifestyle that you want. So I, I don't mean to like bust chops or anything, but it's like, let's go, man. Like, come on, let's get out of the victim mentality. Let's get out of the skepticism. Let's get out of that mindset and really start taking action in our life, because at the end of the day, we only have one life and we must take advantage of it each and every single day. And if you keep waiting around, you're gonna wake up and be an old man or an old woman and not be able to do the things that you once could do. Jump on it, take advantage of it. If it does not work out, that is okay. Failure is not an identity. Failure is an event. You learn from it, become stronger, and then you retry. This is my second gutter cleaning business. I failed the first time. I say I failed, but I just spread myself too thin, right? Like, but I learned from that. That's why a lot of the mentality I have now is keep it tight. Don't spend money on things that aren't necessary. Learn from your mistakes, but you have to be able to make the mistakes in order to grow. A lot of us are so afraid of failure when failure is the thing that makes you better. You cannot get a bigger bicep unless you actually work it out to the point that it's fatigued. You break it down and your body will come back stronger. You can't just keep going in and lifting 5 pound weights. Why am I not getting stronger? Because you're not pushing yourself. You're not pushing it to the point of failure. Try something new. Push it. You don't have to do this full time. Start as a side hustle. Dedicate your Saturdays, dedicate your evenings to doing this thing. You can make an extra $500,000 as a side hustle on this role. And then do that until you feel good about it and then go full time. But quit sitting around talking about, oh, I'm going to do it next month. I'm going to do it when the spring starts. I'm going to do it then. It's like, no, you're not. You're not going to do it. If you don't do it now, then you're not going to do it later. The things that you put off today, your future self ain't going to want to do them either. That's why the dishes stack up, buddy. That was one that definitely hit home for me. But um, I don't know, man. Let's make it happen. Quit messing around. If you want to get into the industry, click the link below to Gutter Cleaner U. I got a bunch of content in there. There's going to be a whole lot more coming in the near future, but grab the toolkit. It's going to give you what you need to have success, give you the basic understanding, how to make sales, how to do door to door if you want to do that, how to do basic marketing, the beehive approach, all those things. Grab that, quit messing around, hop in a Telegram group, and let's get this thing started. This is the month that you actually pull the trigger and get your first job. As always, man, if you like the content that I'm posting, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Let's keep them clean.